car.
Hello, and what thing?
No, my name is Alex.
Hello, my name is Jack.
Sorry, what?
So you have come with me.
Yeah, sure.
So I come from here. I want to try first. KL2 is our Taekwondo is very beautiful.
Yeah, sure. Sorry, what's your name?
I'm Pat.
And what thing?
Okay,
I'm Alex.
Oh, nice to meet
to meet you.
you.
Okay.
Okay.
Where do you from?
We come from Australia.
Oh,
So are you loud?
yes, I'm loud.
So I want to enjoy this long New Year.
Okay.
So I want to go Taekwondo but I don't know the way. You know?
Yes. Very well. I just want to go now. Okay. So then we can go together, right?
Yes, I can go follow you.
Okay.
So, what can I do? Good.
Yes. Teenager, right? They always like enjoy it. They go there, right?
Okay, let's go.
Okay, there we go.
Oh, here is Taekwondo is very many people to come and join. Yeah,
Yeah.
and the Taekwondo has fear.
Yeah, it's bigger in that house.
Oh, and have some food.
Yes.
So I can't stop one. I'm really hungry. So we go to the shop.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here you go, right?
Okay.
Okay, take a seat.
Okay.
What was drink it?
Yes. I mean, cookies, but
Yeah, better. This is menu.
oh, the menu. Oh, I want to yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. And papaya salad.
Oh, yes, I should